friendship, is born at the moment when one man says to another, "What? You too? I thought that no one but myself." To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. A friend is someone who knows all about you and still loves you. Always forgive your enemies, nothing annoys them so much. Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. We accept the love we think we deserve. Without music, life would be a mistake. I am so clever that sometimes I don't understand a single word of what I am saying. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them. About the only thing you can't do is ignore them. Because they change things. They push the human race forward. And while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world, are the ones who do.